Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the cervical Denneroll. This is a foam wedge that you're going to use at home to actually retrain your neck to get that curvature back. It looks like this once you take it outside of the box. Inside the box, you'll also notice there is going to be a chart, and this chart you're going to use as a guide to log how often and how much time you're doing the Denneroll for. Okay? So when you start out, the first goal time is going to be 3 minutes. I don't care if you feel like you can do more than that, but that's going to be the goal. You're going to slowly train your body to get used to this curve. So the first time you do it, you'll write the date, you'll try to do 3 minutes, and then you'll write down your actual time. So the reason that's there, if you only got 2 minutes and it became uncomfortable, well, just write down that you did 2 minutes and you just want to get better each time. Once you can get to the point where you're doing 15 to 20 minutes at a time, you don't really have to continue to log it. Just know that that's where you should be, at least 15 to 20 minutes. So use this chart, and I want you to know that when you do start to feel a little uncomfortable, that's when it's time to come off. Okay, I don't want you to try to fight through pain on there because you're just trying to slowly train your body over time to get used to it. But the goal is 15 to 20 minutes. When you use this wedge, you'll notice on the front it says shoulders this side. You're gonna tuck that basically up against your shoulder blades, right there on your traps, and your head's gonna fall over top of this. So I'm gonna demonstrate this down below. So if you wanna come to the side here, you're always gonna do this on the floor, okay? Don't do this on the bed because then it's gonna kind of absorb into that cushion of the mattress. So you wanna do this on the floor, you're gonna lay it behind you. The way you know you're in the right position is when you're laying over top of it. I'm gonna set this up. Basically, your neck is gonna fall into extension. So you're gonna have a curve, your head's gonna be back there behind you, but also your head's gonna be floating right above the ground. If you're touching the ground, that means that this is too far down. If your neck is up like this, the roll is too high up. So you wanna have a curve in your neck, falling backwards, but just floating right above the ground. And that's a good position. And then you're gonna set your timer on your watch. Always set a timer. That way you don't want to fall asleep on it because when you go to get up, you're going to be really uncomfortable in the neck. So do that until your timer goes off. And then when it's time to get up, I want you to take your arm out to the side, roll your body off, and push up. I don't want you to lift your neck straight up because after sitting there for some time, you're going to feel a little tense in the muscles. You may strain your neck if you come up too quick straight up. Okay? That's how to use the Denneroll. If you have any questions at home after you're using it, we'll go over it when you come in for your next appointment at the office and just make sure that you're using it correctly.